Welcome to today's video, and are you guys ready to learn SEO for your paintless dent repair business? If so, then you've come to the right place, because in today's video, I'm going to uncover the best practices to help you get ahead of your competition and attract the most customers you've ever had before. Now, before I get started, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button and turn on notifications so you can stay updated with our latest content. Now let's dive into the most effective SEO practices for your paintless dent repair business. The first step is keyword research. Now you need to start by identifying the most relevant and high traffic keywords for the PDR industry. You can use tools such as Google's Keyword Planner or SEO Power Suite's Rank Tracker to find these keywords such as paintless dent repair, paintless dent removal, door ding removal, hail damage repair, and other words that potential customers might be searching for. Next is your on-page optimization. You will need to make sure that your website is properly optimized for your target keywords. Now, you need to include them in your page titles, your headings, your meta descriptions, and throughout your content. The next step is to have your website mobile friendly, load quickly, and easy to navigate. Here's a quick tip. You can download SEO Power Suite's website auditor and see what areas of your website need improvement. If you're interested, I will leave a link in the description below. Your next step is to create content. This content needs to be high quality, informative, and engaging for your audience. This could include writing blog posts, articles, or even creating videos that provide valuable information about paintless dent repair. One way that you guys can really drive in new customers is by showing your before and after pictures. Here is a quick tip. If you enjoy making long form videos, you can use software like Content Fries to create YouTube shorts and micro content to share on social media. One of the most important areas is your local SEO. Now, as a paintless dent repair business, you will want to rank very well in local searches. One way is by optimizing your Google business profile page, and you need to make sure that your name, address, and phone number are consistent across all online directories. Here's a quick tip. You can also add your services, products, Q&As, and posts to increase your local SEO on your Google business profile page. Link building is also one way that you can increase your SEO. Now you need to build backlinks from reputable PDR websites, and you can also build citations using a source such as Bright Local. Social media marketing will also play a large role in you building new traffic and customers. You can use platforms such as Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, all to engage with your audience, share your content, and showcase your work. And don't forget, when you have a happy customer, ask for a review. Now, the last step is you need to monitor and analyze your PDR website. You can use tools such as Google Analytics, Google Search Console, and SEO Power Suite's Rank Tracker. These tools will help you identify areas for improvement, which then you can fine-tune your SEO strategy for maximum results. By following these best practices, you will dominate these search results for paintless dent repair in your area. Now, just remember, SEO is an ongoing process. It takes time to see your results, so you need to be patient, consistent, and just watch your business grow once you've given it some hard work and some time. I hope you guys have enjoyed these SEO best practices for PDR. Now, if you guys have any other questions, please leave me a comment below, and make sure to get a free website audit. That link is in the description. Click that link and I will give you guys a free website audit so you guys can increase your customers and traffic to your PDR website.